Dori Soukup here with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Nick in Virginia. He's asking, I'm thinking about opening a med spa. I am an entrepreneur. Can I own one? Well, that's a huge question, and I don't know if I can answer it right away because it really depends on many things. As a matter of fact, right now, whether you can own a med spa or not, even when you call the state by state, and you get one person on the phone one day, they tell you one answer, and then you call the next day, you get another answer. It's what I truly call the wild west. But here's the thing. There are many people that actually own med spas that are entrepreneurs like you. So there are ways around it. Now, I am not an attorney. What I would advise you to do is reach out to a med spa professional. As a matter of fact, we work with a couple that are very reliable. So if you want to send me an email, I'll be more than happy to send you some information about who is a good attorney to speak with. But that would be the best advice I can give you because it really varies from state to state. Virginia is like the wild west, with all due respect, because there's a lot of non-medical professionals in Virginia that are doing all kinds of treatments, not just owning the med spa. So it really depends. So my advice is to contact someone that could really help you, and then how we can help you is to set up the business once you get the legal issues out of the way. There are many people that actually set up a corporation, of course, and then the corporation can be owned by a medical professional, and you would channel everything through that corporation. So there are ways around it. It's just a matter of setting it up properly. So thank you so much for your question. I wish I could have been more help, but since it is a legal question, that's something that I would rather leave to the professionals that are actually experts with that. So, but do your homework. Make sure that you do things the right way, because the last thing you want to do is get involved in doing some things that are not beneficial to you or jeopardize you or your family in any way. So make sure you dot the I's and cross the T's, and make sure that you seek professional advice in that matter. So write me to Dori at InSPArationManagement.com. We can refer you to a couple of attorneys that can definitely help you. Nick, thank you so much for your question. And if you too have a question, you can send it to Dori at InSPArationManagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.